Welcome to Zenio Workforce. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps of creating and managing statements of work for your clients, from drafting an SOW to submitting it for approval. But before we get started, let's quickly understand what an SOW is. A statement of work, or SOW, is a critical document that outlines the requirements, deliverables, timelines, work location, and payment terms and conditions for a given project. It serves as a comprehensive roadmap, documenting every step from start to finish. Now let's get started. First, navigate to the Zenio homepage. Choose SOW from the main menu. To create an SOW for the client, click on the Add icon. The SOW page shows 4 processes that need to be completed. The first one is SOW information. Here, you can select the client name from the list of options. Once you choose the client, the work order number will be automatically displayed. Next, select the project from the drop-down. Enter the purchase number, start and end dates, total hours, and total amount along with the currency. Leave a comment if needed. In the client details section, select the office location, manager, and the approver. Click Next to proceed to the resources section. Assign employees for this SOW by selecting the employee name, job title, start date, and end date, and entering the bill rate along with the currency. You can also add comments if needed. You can add extra resources by clicking the Add icon or remove them using the Remove icon. Now, click Next to continue the process. Here, you can set the milestone, add start date and end date, and enter the total hours and total amount with the currency and description. Add or remove milestones using the respective icons. By clicking Next, you can proceed to the fourth and final step, which involves adding attachments. But before adding attachments, we need to create an SOW template for the client. Before that, just click Save, and now the SOW will be saved as a draft. Let's proceed to create an SOW template. First, choose the client from the main menu. Now, choose the client you want to create the SOW for. On the client page, click on the SOW template section. Here, you can see the previously created SOW templates, including details such as name, last modified date, and actions. To create a new template, simply click the Add button. Then, enter a template name and attach the document by clicking on Choose File. Please note that only Word documents are allowed. Finally, click Save. Once saved, you can download, view, or delete the template by clicking on the respective icons next to the template name. Now, let's complete creating the SOW we started. Since we saved the SOW, it is available in the draft section. To continue editing, navigate to SOW in the main menu. Under Draft, you will find the saved SOW. Click the Edit icon to resume editing. Next, go to Attachments, the fourth and final step. Select the SOW template from the drop-down, which will automatically download the template. In the Attachment section, enter the document name, set the expiry date, and attach a file by clicking the Choose File button. Click on the Add icon to add more attachments. You have the option to add or remove the extra attachment by clicking on the related icon. Click Save to keep it as a draft, or Submit to send the template for approval. You may click the previous button to navigate to the previous page to make changes. Here I am clicking the Submit button. The Draft tab displays SOWs in saved status, along with details such as work order, client name, project name, purchase number, start date, end date, amount, document, and action. You can either edit or delete them. The Waiting for Approval tab displays SOWs that are awaiting approval. If you are an approver, you can view the submitted SOW details by clicking the View icon. You can approve the submitted SOW by clicking on the Work List tab. This tab shows SOWs waiting for your approval. On clicking the Approval icon, you will be directed to the SOW page, where you can approve or reject it. I am clicking Approve, and a pop-up appears prompting you to send an email to the client, informing them of the SOW approval. Click Proceed to preview the email you will send to the client. The email ID and other details, including the SOW attachments, will be displayed in the email and they are editable. Click Submit to send the mail. Next, the Open SOW tab will show approved SOWs. Here, you can view the generated SOW. By clicking the Change Request icon, you can make changes to the resource and milestone details of an already approved SOW by editing it. You can either edit the details by clicking the Edit icon, referred to as the Zero Change Request, or add a new one by clicking the plus icon, which is the New Change Request. After making the changes, you can click Submit to send it for approval again. Back to Open SOW. With the Send Mail icon, you can mail the approval of the SOW details to the client. The tab labeled Rejected SOW contains a list of SOWs that were rejected. The All SOW tab displays all SOWs created for clients, including those in Submitted, Approved, and Rejected status. You can filter SOWs by date range, and search for a particular SOW using the search bar. That's it. I hope you now understand how to use Zenio Workforce to build a SOW for a client. Make sure you like, subscribe, and get notified so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Let us know if you have any queries. Thanks.